Hello guys, welcome to Gadget Bars. In today's video, we'll be reviewing the Derpfest Rom for our Poco F1. It's running on the latest Android 12 well. So let me just quickly go into the about section and show you what this ROM has to offer us. As you can see here, it's running on the Android 12 well, which is the latest version of the Android. And we are running on the security patch as of April 2022. We get the stock kernel and the SLNX status is in enforcing mode. So let's quickly talk about the customization and features what this ROM has to offer. If we go to quickly into the recent section, you can see here we get the support for the Google Lens. We also have a clear all button, which is really good. So the default launcher which we are getting is the Derpfest launcher. Let me just quickly go into the settings and show you. And if we go to the home screen section, you can customize everything like lock layout and all those things. Double tap to sleep, these all are present. Themed icons obviously. And if you go to the miscellaneous, here you can turn on the use taskbar, and also you can take functionality of this show grid of recent apps. So it will look like this, which is really good. And we also get the hidden app support, which is really cool. So you can hide your apps from the home screen itself. And now if we go to the wallpaper and style section, let me just quickly show you. Here you get the wallpaper colors. Obviously you can choose between them. We also have the basic colors, these 4 templates, which were also present in the Pixel experience if I remember. Now let me just quickly go into the setting and show you other function. If we go to the app section, here you can see we have the game space, and under the game space we have the disable heads up. What it does is it will block all your notification while playing in game. We have the in-game ringer mode like silent, vibrate and normal. These 3 functions are available. We also to get the block full screen event. So what it does is like prevent you from full screen while someone is calling. So it will just show you a small notification that your call is incoming. We also to get the disable auto brightness while in game. We have the disable swipe to screenshot. So accidentally if you take screenshot, this thing will be disabled. We have the stay awake while in game, the screen won't turn off. So yeah, these are some of the features which game space has to offer us. So now let's quickly move on to the Derp space. So yeah, what here it's we get all the normal customization which we get with the other ROMs also. You can see here we can customize the battery settings, like you can use the landscape icon, landscape or ride, anything. So yeah, these all are old settings which we used to see in the Corvus ROM also, if I remember. We have the battery percent which you can turn on and off. So I would like to keep in the next to the icon. And yeah, these are the carrier level. This is the clock and date setting, so you can show clock and date. And here is the status bar icon, which icons to show in the status bar. So yeah, all those things are present by default. You can also turn on the network indicator. We have the in miscellaneous section, we get this cool little logo of the Derpfest. You can turn on and off. And we also get the icons of VoLTE icon, voice over Wi-Fi. So let me just quickly show you. So this is the Wi-Fi and this is the voice over Wi-Fi icon, if you can see in the screen. And yeah, we also do get separate tiles for the mobile data and Wi-Fi. So that's really good. Here you can see we have the both separate tiles. This is really good. And if we go to the miscellaneous settings now, let me just quickly go to the system settings. Here we go to the general settings. Now turn on this feature, so you will get unlimited photo storage in the original quality. And next we have this customization. Here you can select the icon pack, Wi-Fi icon pack. So yeah, these are some of the features which this ROM has to offer. So all these settings were present in previous ROMs also. I did use all those ROMs also, like the Corvus, and yes, in Corvus I did use these settings. And now let me just quickly show you in the battery section. Now in battery section, if we go, we have the per app thermal profile, so you can select up according to your needs. We do get the adaptive battery functionality. So what it does is like the apps which you are not using, it will automatically get stopped. So yes, here is the block sensor. What it does is, if we go to the block sensor function, and if we turn on this feature, we can block certain apps from accessing certain battery draining apps. So yeah, here you can see is the Gboard, Google Play Store. So yeah, these all are apps like they use some particular sensors for the functionality of the app. So yes, now let me go into the display setting and show you what it has to offer us. If we go to the display setting, you get the live display. We have these all we have all this color profile. You can choose between OLED and anything. I would like to keep in the default mode. And if we go to display mode, you can choose between automatic and off. Obviously, you can also set the color temperature if you like. We do get the reading mode. We can also calibrate the color. So yeah, these are some of the basic display functionality which this ROM has to offer us. We also get the dark theme option. Also, we can change the color saturation. Like here I can choose between natural, boosted, or anything if you like, according to your need. And we also get the show refresh rate. We all know that Poco F1 has 60 Hz of refresh rate, so no point of turning on this, I think. So yeah, and if we go to this, like tap to wake, so double tap to wake and off, all those things are present, so no issues regarding that. Now talking about the sound setting, we get the per app volume control, which is present here. You can turn on this. We get the direct sound enhancer, so you can use this particular headset type. We get these sound preset. So yeah, these all are present by default. We also get the sound pause. What it does is, when the volume is muted, it will resume automatically when the volume is set within the restored within the set time. Now talking about the security benchmark results and the day-to-day performance of this ROM. If I go to the safety net test, you can see here by default it shows pass, so no issues. All your banking apps should work fine. You can use everything. And now let me just show you the Geekbench screenshot which I just took, and the CPU throttling app. Regarding the benchmark, it's not really good, and also the CPU throttle test is not that great. I will put both of the screenshots in the description box below so you can clearly see them. Here is the CPU throttling app. You can see here it's really bad. It's not that good. So yeah. Also for gaming performance, if you use this ROM, I wouldn't recommend to use this ROM. Pixel experience is much better than this ROM. You will get some heating issues in the stock kernel. If you use other kernel like NGK kernel, you won't get any issue. And regarding the charging speed is really slow, because if your device gets heated up, the charging will be really slow. And if you need to get the fast charging functionality, your device must be in a really cool state. So yeah, so let me just quickly show you how to install this ROM. And let me just quickly boot into the recovery. So yeah, so the first step which you will be doing is go to wipe. In advanced wipe, select Dalvik cache system vendor data and just swipe to wipe this. And next step, come back, go to install. In my case, it's in my micro SD card. So first flash this firmware file. We are done. Then next step is to flash this ROM file. Here is the Derpfest Rom. All the files will be provided in the description box below, so no need to worry. After flashing the ROM, for the encrypted users only, listen carefully. Go to wipe and format data. Type here yes if you are an encrypted user. Okay, so your phone will be booted up. And if you're a non-encrypted user, just go to install, and after flashing the ROM, make sure you flash this file, the DFE file. So that's it for the not encrypted users, guys, and the encrypted users. So that's it for the video, guys. Hope you like it. Do subscribe to our channel, and If you have any queries, comment down in the comment section below. I will surely help you regarding any of the issue if you face while installing this ROM. So yeah, thank you.